You need parts? We got parts. Need it fast? We got fast. No matter what you need, we have thousands of professional parts people doing their part to make sure you have it. Product availability. Just one part that makes O'Reilly stand apart.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for north-central Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio until 10:26 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:22 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Wells, or 13 miles northeast of downtown Cleveland, moving northwest at 80 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, emergency management reported. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include downtown Cleveland and Lake. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home or a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.